Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a how-to video install on some windshield wipers on my BRZ. I've had these wipers for about 3 years, ever since I got my car, so they've lasted me quite a bit of time. I'd say that's probably normal. So I live in Arizona, so we don't get a lot of rain here, so my blades are most likely aging due to heat exposure, and it's about time to replace that, so here we go. All right, so the first step to changing windshield wipers is to get the blades off themselves. So I have a flathead screwdriver on my multi-tool, but you can use a screwdriver or a regular standard flathead. And I'd be careful when sticking your tool inside of this groove that you need to pull out. It could scratch it. You could use a paper towel or something to put over your tool, but I'm just gonna be pretty gentle with this. Unclip it like that, pull it all the way out, and you're just gonna have to push down and take it out, and you just do that for the same on the other side of the windshield. All right, we have these two windshield wipers. They are pretty much garbage, so I'm gonna toss these and go ahead and open these up and install these. All right, since we got the old wipers uninstalled, I think it'd be a great time to take the opportunity to clean your windshield. And I'd recommend cleaning your windshield regularly. I think it helps preserve the life of the wipers themselves, because all of the dirt and everything gets dragged onto the wipers and can cause a little bit more wear and tear. And it's always nice to just be able to see out your window. All right, so for these blades that I got from Toyota, you will probably get this piece. You don't need this piece when installing on a BRZ, and I would assume for an 86 or FRS. So you can just toss that, and you want to make sure that this little thing right here, you see this like little clip right here? That goes underneath, so instead of like this way, you flip it over and make sure this bottom piece is facing down. And what you're going to want to do is put the blade at like a 90-degree angle over the J-hook, slide down, and you just kind of have to work it in and see what feels right. But there we go. I feel that it's engaged, so all I have to do is push in, and you're going to hear that clip, and that means it's in. So you can do the exact same thing on the passenger side. There we go. Both of the windshield wipers are installed. Just a reminder, the driver's side is the larger 22-inch and the passenger side is the 20-inch. It has to go that way. Yeah, so there is the install. I hope everything was detailed enough. It's pretty easy to install. There's instructions on the packaging, so it should take you like 5 minutes or less. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good one, and peace out.